This movie shows a physics simulator embedded within Nengo and interacting with Nengo. Let me start the simulation. You can see that the physics simulator is taking care of the blocks which are being introduced into this arena, where there is a robot, and the robot's behavior is controlled by Nengo. This particular robot has 2 inputs and 2 outputs, and these are wired in Braitenburg style, such that the right input is wired to the left motor, and the right motor receives projections from the left input. Famously, this results in a kind of object avoidance behavior. If we look at the activity of the spiking neurons in these populations, we can see that when the robot approaches, for instance, an object or a wall that stimulates one of the inputs, that changes the pattern of activity in the input, immediately changing the pattern of activity in its connected motor, and thereby changing the path of the robot through the environment itself. As with other graphs, we can interact with this graph in real time, zooming and resizing it, for example. And we can also define the behavior of the graph such that when we reset the simulation, a new pattern of blocks is generated. This allows us to easily simulate multiple environments several times in a row. And in this last instance, you will notice that the falling block interacts physically with the robot. Those interactions are taken care of by the physics simulator, while Nengo runs the simulator of the control itself.